I can't hear you. What? About time. We lived in the mountains for 50. Look at the snow, guys. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today is Tuesday. Is today Tuesday or Monday? What is today? Today's Tuesday. We're going with Tuesday. If I'm wrong, I'll correct it in the thing. Anyways, guys, my dad's home. Obviously, my mom's home too because she got 2 days off work. Because now she gets Monday and Tuesday off for some reason. Who knows why. But anyway, guys, let's go get this day started. I'll cut back a bit. Hi, guys, I'm back, and the animals are taking over the house. We got Jake taking over the blanket. We got the cat. We got my dad. You're an animal now, Dad. Did you hear me? Did you hear me, Dad? What? Why? Mom, you're just paranoid. You're paranoid. The chickens are fine.
They're going to get taken.
They're fine. Right, Mom? Ow. Mom, what are you doing?
There they are. They're down here now. Yeah.
They're fine.
1, 2, 3. There might be 5 there. Can't tell.
Are you ready to go for a walk with my dad? Because he's done eating. He's done eating.
No,
Yeah.
he still has his
Oh,
pie.
yeah, pie, I forgot.
Move.
Where'd you get this at?
Yeah, I got the wrong one. Look.
I know I told you it was, yeah. I told you it was a different color.
So I gotta get another one of these, and then I need a.
Need a green one.
Yeah, I need.
It's green. This is green.
See, that's the set I wanted.
Yeah, and that one was 80 bucks.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, guess what? I'm gonna use that card to get it.
Well, good.
Yeah, you just don't know it yet.
Well, good. He said he'd do it. Yeah, it was $79.99 for it, and this was only. My dad didn't have the money whenever we went there because you know he doesn't.
Only like $2.
I know.
I don't know how much Rudolph was.
Did he give you for my birthday, huh?
Hmm?
Nothing. I'm gonna give me that for my birthday.
Not right now, Benny.
Well, it's not in 18 days or whatever. What? Don't look at me like that. Don't look at me like
I
that.
just paid.
Don't look at me like that.
Some.
It's in 18 days.
I just paid.
My dad might be able to work by then. They might tell me he can work. The bone doctor said he could.
Yeah, but he was being a dick.
No, he wasn't.
But I want to get a set like this because it looks like my mom's. She never sewed something like this. It was like this, the star. I told you it was a star
What?
one.
This looked like a star when we got it. In the box it did.
Look at that picture.
Looks like a star. Why are you keeping the box for?
I meant to throw it away. I haven't got to it yet.
Well, yeah, that one was like $90 at Walmart.
So I need to get another one of these.
$90.
Hmm?
Nothing. It was $9 and in the pellet case it was $10 a piece for it. I don't know why that one was so expensive.
Different. I don't know.
I don't know.
More sewing.
I don't know. Who knows? What Let's go film my dad again. Dad! Dad. Ready to go for a walk? Why? No, well, Susie, we're going. You need to start moving your legs while you're sitting down, too. Pick your legs up and move them. Pick your legs up and move them.
Get away.
Just rock your legs.
Quit kicking my legs.
He said you could do it. I didn't even tell him nothing. Now he wants to know.
What?
I didn't even say nothing. Now he's going to want to know what you said.
What did you say?
He'll watch this video anyways and figure it out. He'll watch this video later and figure it out.
I ain't watching none of your videos. Mom.
No. No. When I do such a thing. Don't look at me like that. Alright guys, I will cut back in a few minutes. Alright guys, I'm back. The kitty cat's here. My dad's here. My mom's here. Jake's over there. The only cat that's not here is the one in the bedroom. What are you doing? Dad. Dad. No, what is he doing? What are you doing? He's rocking back and forth.
Yeah, like you.
What are you doing? Do what? I don't. Alright, guys. My phone timer went off, so I gotta restart this. Right, Dad? Right. Will you stop?
Would you quit filming everything?
Why? You like it and you know it. Yeah, he does.
No.
Or is this potato soup? Potato soup.
I haven't cooked it yet. I just got it in the...
Potato soup, Mom? I meant chili. You agree with me when I said I called it potato soup. He's like, oh, I haven't cooked it yet. You've been cooking it all day. I can't.
Talk about that.
I can't even see. That's chicken. I just burnt the shit out of myself.
I shouldn't have done it.
Well, I couldn't reach it. Guys, we made chili. Haha.
You did not eat it.
Well, my mom made it this time. And it looks amazing, actually.
No.
Nice and thick.
No.
Is it hot?
I don't
You're
know.
going to melt your bowels when you eat it?
Did you say melt your bowels?
Yes.
I don't know if I want to eat it now.
What?
Bowels.
Because it's hot.
Oh,
Never mind. Because it's supposed to be hot, you know?
Yes, I know what you mean.
Sure you do.
Melt your bowels. Oh, I didn't.
That's what it's supposed to mean. Melt your bowels.
I heard everything now.
Yep, it's going to melt your bowels chili. Right, Dad? Why don't you like chili, by the way?
You don't like beans.
You don't like beans?
I hate them big brown beans.
Why? But don't you like the gray beans? The kidney beans?
Yuck.
Yeah, you like the one beans, the soup beans. There you go. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I love them. Hey, yeah. When you want to make some soup beans?
Well, I can...
You should have made it this weekend. Or we should make it tomorrow. Go get some. And I'll put it in the thing.
Should be some in there.
Yeah, we can put it in the thing tomorrow. Well, let's eat all this chili first, because I know we made a whole bunch of chili.
Yeah, eat that first.
Yeah. We're going to make more food. Right, Jake?
And get up and go to the bathroom. I'll be okay.
You did it all the time. Did I wear you out walking you around today?
It's too cold.
Is that really why? You gonna walk to the hospital whenever you have to go?
And I...
What? You could probably do it if you walked all this.
What are you talking about?
What?
You don't want that?
I don't know. Maybe.
Look.
I don't know. How many did you give me? Give me a couple more. I like putting stuff. I like. Do you want some crackers? Because remember whenever I was stubborn, I tried to walk up to the hospital. I did. He didn't answer me. Remember when my leg was broken? I was stubborn. I wanted to walk to the thing by myself, and I couldn't do it. And they yelled at me. The people came out to help me, and I was like, "Hey, she wanted to go get me a wheelchair." Remember? You don't remember that? Well, they was gonna help me because they thought I was crazy. You can get wheelchairs. You hear me? They have free wheelchairs. You have to have them all to get it. Because that's what they did to me when I couldn't walk it with a broken leg. Do you remember? You went in there.
Who had to push you up there?
Well, hey, like I could push myself.
You could have used your own hand.
You can't use it with those can you?
You can.
I don't know.
That's what the wheels is for.
Wheels are for. Hey, the other pussycat came out. You having a field day in my bedroom? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
A little bit of butter in your chili.
No, not really. Yeah, whatever.
It does.
Well, fine, do it then. I love dipping stuff in soup. I don't know why.
Huh?
I love dipping crackers in soup and eating them like that. It's weird. Alright, guys.
Did you say yourself?
Yes. Alright, guys. I'll come back and we'll eat this chili and I'll tell you what it tastes like when we're done. So, alright, guys. I'm back. We ate the awesome chili, right, Mom? It was actually pretty good.
I made it myself.
No, you didn't.
When the heck did I do that other coffee?
What are you looking for?
I'm missing some coffee somewhere. I don't think I opened it. I'm making it when I did.
Oh, no. You ate all the coffee. What are you going to do? Jake says, I want to go bye-byes.
Shut up!
He's the one that wanting to go. Bloop. Anyway, guys, we're going to take my dog for a car ride to go get gas because he hasn't been out of the house. And usually you take him everywhere. And he's getting depressed because he doesn't get the... What is he doing? Jake, don't jump on him. Jake, get down. Down. No, you can't go that way. Jake, don't jump on him. Don't get him outside because I'll jump on my dad. Go get him, Jake. Don't get him too excited. I might go jump on my dad.
I got to get something on.
What?
I need to put something on. Get out.
What?
Never mind.
Well, I don't even know what you're doing. Jake, don't, Jake, don't jump on him. Don't jump on him. Calm down. Can't be jumping on him right now. No, I can't jump on Daddy. No. Anyway, guys, we're going to the store. I will come back once we do. So, alright guys, I'm back. It is pouring the snow down. Well, are you sure you want to drive in this? What? You have to what? What'd you say? What? I can't hear you. What? About time. Living in the mountains for 50. Look at the snow, guys. Look at that. It is one heck of a snowstorm. We're going to go get gas because my mom wants to take the dog for a car ride, and I explained this earlier. It wasn't snowing this bad earlier. Old Tony's snowballs. Look at this. Man, I can't get over how much snow we got. Whew, it's freaky out here. Ah. You should have came down and started your car up before we left.
Here, take the car.
No.
Yeah.
I don't like doing that. You know I don't like doing it. What? Is the car door gonna shut? Oh, what are you doing? Man, it is snowed. Well, what are you doing? Well, I'm not, windshield wipers just do it. Okay. Never mind then. Oh, hey guys, so we're going on. We're going on an adventure. Anybody else hate when that noise? Like, I just can't stand that noise of like scraping. If anything, it drives me nuts. I'm weird. Anyway, guys, I'll come back once we're home with so snow we got in the morning time. So, hi guys, I'm back. We drove through a blizzard, right, Mom?
You was afraid.
I was not.
Yes,
you was afraid. You said, "Oh, we can get this puppy in there."
That ain't what I said. You're a dingbat.
What?
Yeah. He says one thing and he does another thing, dear.
What? I do what?
You know that?
No, that ain't not like
Yes, he is.
Are you calling me
And
crazy?
then he says, well, you didn't ask me. I asked him twice. I asked him down here. I asked him over there. I said, why didn't you clear out the window? I don't want to.
I'm cold. I can't take the cold anymore.
Well, I'm older than you, Benny.
I don't know about that one. Jake's older than all of us.
He won the whole time going over there.
I think he's
Yes,
cold.
dear.
I think he's cold.
what?
I think he's
Won.
cold.
Because I wasn't looking.
I think he's cold.
Did you think we wouldn't come back?
He said, yeah.
I told you I'd come bring you back. I told you that, Becky. I told you I was going to give you take a ride. In the blizzard.
One of you didn't shut the storm door. I had to get
Him?
out and shut.
No, you was the last one out, wasn't
No,
you?
I took Jake out first.
Well, because the wind probably caught it. Because when it's windy like that, the wind catch it. Because I'm not crazy. You're crazy.
What are you shooting for, Jake?
It's cold. It's cold.
We went to a snow blizzard, got stuck. Truck tried to run us over.
Yeah, some truck did try
Then
to
all
run
the
us in
way
the
back
ditch.
is clear.
Yeah, the roads
All
were
that
covered
was
on the.
covered.
Yeah, and then it warmed up and all the snow melted off
Yeah.
the road, and then it was just water.
And then some truck came out there and went like a bad hell.
Did
you
you-
hear that?
Did you hear that guy? Woo! He yelled, and I don't know what the hell what he was doing.
I'm drunk.
I don't know. He's like,
What?
whoop whoop, or something. I don't know what he's doing.
Probably because that truck.
Maybe. Jake
You
said,
think
"What's going
Jake,
on?"
the crazy people over there, huh? Yeah.
Crazy people, Jake.
Mommy had to wait up there so a truck could go by me.
Yeah, and then she slid come down the hill.
Oh, I did not.
Yeah, you did. Your car
did
spun or
not.
slid or whatever.
He's crazy over there.
No, it did.
I was going to have him drive my spot up there, not.
I would have did it. If you tell me where to go, I'd do it.
We think, Dickie.
Where was you, Dad?
He thought we'd not come back.
Oh, he's fine.
He missed us.
You okay?
Did you get raped?
Yeah. Oh.
Did you
I
get
think
attacked?
quite what tigers were.
See what you did, Dad. Dad, see what you did. Dad. Mad or mad. Alright, guys. I'll cut back and then I'm gonna go to vlogs. Alright, guys, I'm back. What am I gonna do? Oh. Yeah, so we did a lot today. I walked with Dad, but I didn't film that because he doesn't like me filming him because he can't walk very well right now because he's still pretty banged up. But, anyways, guys, if you like today's vlog, remember to subscribe, click the button, and talk to you guys tomorrow.